Excuse me, bitch.
No.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You better not post this anywhere, you fucking piece of shit.
What if I do?
Well, I will kill you. You're already getting jumped tomorrow on your birthday.
No, I'm not.
You're getting egged.
You're gonna get jumped.
No.
Like, nobody's ever gonna see Lauren again. And if you see this video,
They're not gonna see the video if I die.
I'll copy your camera and upload it on my computer and then post it everywhere, and then you'll be dead and I'll die.
Find your dead corpse in the woods.
That's so much evidence.
I know.
I would just get caught in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, turn you in.
Where'd that fucking Trish go? Where'd that fucking Trish go? Cisco.
Someone talk. This be interesting.
Dance.
Go ahead, dance.
Let's dance, Amanda.
Want to dance with me?
Okay,
I'll dance on Emma.
No, get off of me. Ow, my stomach hurts.
Okay.
Off me.
It's your charge.
Get off, fucking asshole.
Yo, don't hit. Just like hit my tattoo.
I didn't hit your tattoo.
Yeah.
Your tattoo's all the way in the front. What a fucking lie.
Because I was
that?
jumping up and down and my pants were scraping.